Hey guys, in this video I'm going to introduce our new style of the elastic band to sew on the wig. As you know, the traditional elastic band is just like a holder without the hook. This is a new style, and you can adjust the size, and you can hook stuck here from here. This is the tightest size, this one. This is the tightest size, you see? And let me make it a little bit loose, like this one. I will start. You see? A little bit looser now, like this one. Look. This one. Okay, I will adjust it again, make it tighter. This one, you see? This one. So this is a new style of the wig elastic band we saw on the wig, like this one. And also we use here on the ear area. Sometimes the workers we saw the hooks, this clocks here with a hook, but I don't think it's a good idea, because if we get this, let me show you. We get a hook on, you see? This one is more, it's bigger size, it's looser. So sometimes people will complain that the cap is a little bit bigger. If the cap is a little bit bigger for them, they will choose this one, you see? This one. So we can use this hook. We can use this hook to adjust the size, and like this, and I will adjust it, and like this, a little bit looser, so you can compare, you can see a difference like this one. So we just saw the other end of the elastic band, like this on the cap, like this on the cap. We saw it on here, this one. And in the middle you can adjust the size of the wig. I think it would be very popular now, because a lot of customers keep asking us to make this one. Now it's very popular now. A lot of customers order the wigs and ask us to make the wigs like this. So this is the material I'm going to show you. This is the material. This is the material. This one. This. So it will have the hooks and different position. You can start here and make it tighter, and again make it tighter. You see, if you want to make it looser, you start here. So this is the material. So welcome to order the wigs from us. We are making wigs every day for our customers, like this. Okay, I will see you in the next video.